Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the future of urban mobility with a first look, or rather, a full ride experience of the brand new 2025 Electric Automatic Tricycle. It's sleek, smart, and eco-friendly. Picture this: zero tailpipe emissions, whisper-quiet operation, space-saving design, and a fully automatic drivetrain, all packed into a nimble three-wheeler that's perfect for navigating congested city streets. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through everything, from the exterior design and cockpit feel, to performance, battery life, charging setup, tech features, safety systems, ride quality, and even cost of ownership. I'll also take you on a test ride so you can get a feel for how it handles. So let's jump right in. Visually, the 2025 electric tricycle has a sharp, modern look. Its body is sculpted for aerodynamics, with clean lines flowing from front to rear. Unlike many bulky three-wheelers, it maintains a dynamic, sporty profile. The front is dominated by a single LED strip for daytime running lights, paired with stylish triangular headlamp units that give it a distinctive face, almost like it's got eyebrows, you know? Move along to the side and you'll notice the large fenders over each front wheel, with a design that smoothly integrates into the main body panels without jutting out. The rear is compact and purposeful, featuring a full-width LED light bar that ties the design together. The overall footprint is tight, smaller than most compact cars, and there's a near-zero front overhang. That makes it easy to park nose in and good for tight urban corners. Thanks to the design of the front end and low center of gravity, the trike feels balanced yet purposeful. Its three-wheel layout, two wheels in front, one in back, offers roll stability and predictable handling, while still keeping the vehicle narrow enough to slip between lanes. Step inside. Or perhaps more accurately, mount the seat and you're welcomed by a compact but well-laid-out cockpit. The seating position puts you slightly forward, with a tilt-adjustable handlebar and a comfy bench or dual-pod seating arrangement. Controls are simple: left-right hydraulic brake levers, a large thumb-activated PR&D button on the right for drive selection, and an electric throttle. Instead of a traditional stick for gear selection, it's all electronic. Above the bars, a clean full-color display screen gives you instant feedback on speed, battery level, range, and even a simple navigation guide or music controls. The user interface is intuitive, with large icons and customizable display themes. The seat itself is surprisingly snug and supportive. It's contoured, with grippy surface material so you don't slide around in turns. The seat height is moderate and flat, making it easy to plant your feet when stopped and offering a stable ride posture. The cabin's overall impression is of precision and care, no extra fuss, but everything you need is in th.